Hi, this is Lisa. I'm continuing on to the next podcast, which is root words for medical terminology. So root words, it's part of the word. It's not the prefix where it's the word, word letters before, or the suffixes, the letters after. It's the main part of the word. And a lot of times it can stand alone. So cardio is a good example. That means heart. Heme means blood. So it's a part of the word. It can be standalone or be used with prefixes and suffixes. And it's the fundamental meaning. So it's the main thing we're looking at. And sometimes medical terms can have more than one root. That's when it always gets fun. But if you know the root words, you'll be able to look at it and understand what part of the body or what we're talking about. So some of the ones that refer to the head, towards the head of the body, stomato means mouth. So stomatitis means inflammation or infection in the mouth. Dento, teeth. So if you see anything with dento, I mispronounced that word, but dento is teeth. Grossolingual, tongue. Encephio, brain. Encephalitis is a good one. That's an inflammation of the brain. So you can kind of see where I'm going with this. Some words, root words for the abdomen. Gastro is the stomach. Entero, intestine. So enteritis, gastritis. Those are inflammation, gastritis, inflammation of the stomach. Enteritis, inflammation of the intestines. Colo, large intestine. So colostomy is an opening that's made into the large intestine. Procto is anus or rectum. So proctologist is a doctor who specializes in diseases revolving the anus or the rectum. Hepato is liver. Nephro is kidney. So nephritis is inflammation of the kidneys. I know I'm going with itis, but those are usually the easier ones to do. And hystero is uterus. So hysterectomy is where you remove the uterus. So if you can understand what part of the body we're talking about with these root words, then you'll be able to look at the prefixes or the suffixes and determine what's going on. Chest and body, dermo. Skin, dermatologist is a doctor who specializes in diseases of the skin. Masto, breast. So mastectomy, mastitis. Mastectomy is removal of the breast. Mastitis is an inflammation of the breast. Osteo is bone. Osteomyelitis is an infection of the bone. Osteosarcoma is a cancer of the bone. Cardio, heart. So cardiology is a doctor who specializes in heart disease. Phleblo is veins. So someone who draws blood is a phlebotomist. Phlebitis is an inflammation of the veins. And pneumo is lungs. Pneumothorax is where the lung has collapsed. Or pneumonitis is an infection of the lung. Abdomen, same thing. Adeno is glands, so adenocarcinoma is a cancer that's in a gland. Duodeno is the duodenum, so I'm going to have to think on that one. Necro is dead, so necrotizing fasciitis is a disorder where the tissue dies. Pyro fever. Oh, that's it. Those are your root words. Again, I have flashcards on Quizlet, and I have we will have a Canvas quiz. The main thing to remember about root words, a lot of these you already know from your previous classes. And then when we get to prefixes and suffixes, you'll be able to look at a word and determine what it means. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.